Today we are concerned about what is happening in your country. Please understand, there is genuine concern. Okay, we are concerned, and all night people were very worried about what's happening in Karachi. 1 second, sir. Listen to Sushant Sareen.
Our concern is...
Sir, because, sir, you are forcing me to say this, but in July 2009, your Pakistani President Asif Ali Zardari admitted that your country creates terrorist groups to achieve its foreign policy goals. Don't force me to say that.
Absolutely.
He said it.
Absolutely.
Didn't he say it? Sushant Sareen, please.
Or no, I'll tell you where both you and Maroof are out of line. I don't know what you guys expect. Just hearing this character from the Pakistan army is enough to convince you that these guys are living in denial. Now, you know, for everything, it's everybody else to blame, but their own follies, their own sins are coming back to haunt them, but they're not going to wake up to that reality, so God bless them. Now, just ask this guy one thing. You know, frankly, if this was an Indian mounted operation, then I would say that this is the greatest intelligence coup of this millennium, you know, that we've turned around all those guys whom the Pakis had created to kill us. Now, those guys are now killing these own people. Now, what a great intelligence coup. Unfortunately, it's not true. The fact of the matter is that if Indians had to use these 10-12 terrorists to go and mount an attack on the Karachi airport, then why couldn't we not have hired these same people to take out people like terrorists like Dawood Ibrahim and Hafiz Saeed, who live under the patronage of the ISI? Number one. Number two,
good point.
You know, this book which you are quoting, Hassan Abbas's book.
Yes.
It was, you know, he has picked up the story from the Pakistani media. And the briefing was done by none other than the ISI chief Shuja Pasha, who tried to use the Taliban to send a message across to India that the Pakistan army and the Taliban are going to get back into a compact if there was any kind of a conflict with India, which essentially tells you that all this talk of this enmity and this bravado, this false bravado which this brigadier is showing, he will be shown up for it, and we have seen how over 400 soldiers of the Pakistan army surrendered to 10 or 12 terrorists and were kept hostage before they had to release so many other people to get those 400 people out. So we have seen all of that. Pakistan army is a great army for fighting its own people and killing them and using helicopter gunships, artillery and fighter jets to kill their own people. You know, let's see how successful they are. But let me tell you one thing, you are totally out of line if you expect the Pakistanis to wake up and smell the coffee. I'm afraid they are just too much of
I'd like to get Mr. You see, gentlemen, today we want to look into the future, the past. Sir, please understand one thing, this Pakistan, Taliban and its affiliates have killed more than 18,000 civilians and 5,500 soldiers and police officials in your country. This group is being nurtured by the ISI, isn't it, KC, Mr. Partha? It's being nurtured by the ISI. The ISI does briefings.
Not at all.
The ISI does briefings saying this has been organized by India. But you know, where do you see this going? 1 second. Let Mr. Parthasarthi, if this blindfolded attitude continues, sir, if this blindfolded attitude continues, what is going to happen next in Pakistan after the American withdrawal?
You don't let me speak.
Sir, there are 3 other panelists who haven't spoken from India. Please let them.
Is being used to destabilize our western borders. It is being used to destabilize Balochistan. It is being used to destabilize FATA and the TTP militants belonging to Mullah Fadlullah Group.
Okay, Farooq Hamid Khan, please let 2 panelists from India speak, starting with Mr. Parthasarthi and then KC Singh, because we are concerned about what's going to happen in the short term across the border. KC and Partha, either of you, please. Maybe Mr. Parthasarthi goes first.
Will you give me a chance or should I leave?
No, sir, we'll come to you. Just hear the 2 panelists from India.
Listen, as far as I am concerned, I am glad the brigadier admitted that there were differences between Nawaz Sharif and the army on this particular episode of dealing with the Tehreek-e-Taliban.
No, after Partha, I'll come to you, KC. Yes, Partha. Sorry to keep you waiting.
The fact of the matter is there are serious differences between the government and the military. The government was proceeding with negotiations. The military is hopping mad because the Tehreek-e-Taliban killed a major general. And the fact is the military has used something which no military uses against its own people. It has used air power, including fighter jets, It has used strafe helicopters to strafe. The helicopters have crossed the Durand line and had problems with Afghanistan. More importantly, there are two groups of terrorists in North Waziristan. The first is the Tehreek-e-Taliban. The second is the Haqqani network. Now the army has gone after the Tehreek-e-Taliban, with whom they've had ceasefires and love affairs in the past, but spared the Haqqani network, which is an international terrorist organization. Now, when you deal selectively with terrorists, as you've done in the past, they will pay a very, very heavy price. The Tehreek-e-Taliban have said the Karachi attack is in response to killing innocent Pashtun women by using fighter aircraft and helicopters. Now, I can't see this ending with a difference between the government and the army. The army is a law unto itself in Pakistan, God bless them. And as far as I'm concerned, this is going to drag on. They can drag us in, they can drag the Afghans in, but they are also having a problem on their border with Iran, which has been closed, because Iranian soldiers in the past were kidnapped inside Pakistani territory. So let us wait and see how this plays out. Their border problems are not with India. It's going to be with Iran and Afghanistan.
Exactly.
And let them sort it out.
Yeah. Before I go back to a Pakistani guest, I want to give KC Singh an opportunity. The point here is, KC, that Pakistan has weaved a web of terror, then it's got stuck in the web of terror. It has a relationship with the Pakistan Taliban. It has a separate relationship with the Haqqani brothers, who they use to target our interests and our people in Afghanistan. Now they can't get out of this. They can't get out of this web of terror, can they? So then what are we looking at? Plus, I sense a lot of denial today among our Pakistani guests.
I agree with you, Arnab. It's very sad. It's a day when you expect, when we have empathy for our friends in Pakistan, we expect a rational discussion. We expect at least some understanding on fundamentals. You can disagree on the approach to fundamentals, but you don't question 2 + 2 = 4, because then you can't have a discussion at all. But very clearly, I'm sorry I missed what Mr. Parsati said, but very clearly what we are seeing in Karachi is flowing from the division in the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan caused by ISI about a month back, when they were congratulating themselves because they managed to wean away the Masouds. About 3,000 strong Masood group left the other group there. So now the other group, which is not having a base in Waziristan but is really in Swat Valley and so on and so forth, had to show that they're going to hit back, that they are still valid. But the interesting thing is that the Masouds that they have weaned away are actually close to the Punjabi Taliban, close to the Haqqanis, close to Mullah Omar. So which means the weaning away was not done to just destroy Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan or to do a deal with them. The weaning away was to wean away both to weaken TTP as well as to get assets to deal with Afghanistan. Now that is the sad part, that even when you are dealing with an entity with which you have time and again cut a deal, done a peace order, they have again gone back, reneged.
Yes.
Then you again start fighting them. Then they again start. It's been going on since 2008.
And today
any number of peace deals have been there. And now you realize that you're again doing the same thing.
1 second.
So, and the residual group has hit back.
No. And the fact is, and our Pakistani guests can now respond. Colonel Shafkat say this. We are going into open debate. Sushant Sareen, I'm coming back in a minute. The fact is, who did the ISI use? Colonel Shafkat say they used the Haqqani network. They used the Pakistan Taliban to target American and Indian interests in Afghanistan.
Can I respond now?
Sir, but you did it. And now the Haqqani network is helping the Pakistan Taliban in its negotiations with Islamabad. They have become bigger than you.
Can I respond now?
They are now controlling you.
Can I respond?
It's still not too late. Yes,
No.
please respond. Briefly, but.
Okay, now please listen. Now,
Arnab, who is to
I've been
respond?
listening to you for 10 minutes. At least give me 2 minutes, unless you want to have a fair debate. Or
Go
if
ahead,
you want
but
me
yes.
to go, I'll go away. Okay, now remember, the Haqqanis, they normally operate from South and Southeast Afghanistan. This border is a porous border. You cannot totally control it. Yes, there could be some people of the Haqqanis on this side of the Durand line. Pakistan has no problem with the Haqqanis or
Sir,
the Afghan Taliban.
Exactly,
We have
of course.
no
Why
war
will
with
you have a
them.
problem?
We
You
have
use
no
them.
problem.
Mr. Mr. Partha, why would you have a problem? You've been using them all along. Mr.
Right.
Partha,
So,
Mr.
right,
Partha,
listen,
please.
Listen.
No, Mr. Partha, on that. You have no problem. They have been your
They
instrument.
are Pashtun on the other side
Mr.
of the
Partha.
border line. We have no problem with them.
Mr. Partha.
They have no problem with us.
Mr. Partha.
You
They are fighting US occupation forces in Afghanistan.
Yeah, so you know,
Please try to understand. They
Yes, I
are.
want to
We have
comment.
nothing against them.
So counters
Now,
from
listen,
Sushant Sareen and
now,
Mr. Patsati first. Mr. Patsati first. 1 second, sir. We promise to listen to each other. One second, Mr. Patsati.
My answer is
Mr.
my
Patsati.
answer is
It is only
my
the
answer is very
military groups of
simple.
the Tehreek-e-Taliban.
Mr. Patsati.
Our Pakistan Army.
Sir,
will
here,
retaliate.
now,
How can I
Hold on,
speak
hold
when
on.
the
Mr. Hamid Khan, you made
when
the
the
point. Let hear the other side. We have limited time. Farooq.
Why?
We go to
Mr.
attack them.
Patsati.
We will do that.
Mr. Patsati, please.
No, it's
very,
my...
very, very simple. He doesn't have to listen to us. Please read the latest Pentagon
No,
report.
because you're not giving
Read
me
the congressional
time. You're not
records.
giving me time.
There-
The moment I start speaking, you interject.
Sir,
That is
please.
not the way. You
Sir,
should at least have
please.
patience to
What
listen
we
to
are
me.
talking about.
Take my point.
So 1 second, sir. You made your point. Hear the Indian side also. Mr. Patsati, please.
No, but when there should be a
Sir,
difference.
let's divide the time equally. Mr.
we are not-
Patsati
we
is
are-
responding to you with facts.
You
Yes.
should not speak. There has to be.
Why
a
are you-
debate.
Look,
But someone- others should-
Brigadier, I have spoken for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Totally, I have spoken for 2 minutes.
Right, but
You
I
have
did
do-
not
you
intervene. I
you
did
just
not
seem to be
interfere.
unable to control
2
yourself.
minutes. Every
I
minute
didn't
is
interfere
time.
with you either.
because
I didn't interfere. with you.
I did not
No.
interfere.
Now the
No,
fact
let him speak. Continue, Mr.
2
Patsati.
minutes in
And
algebra.
I say something, but you do not like.
The fact of the matter, the fact of
Sir, go ahead.
Spoiling the whole debate.
I have not disturbed you. I have not. Listen, the fact of the matter is,
At
whatever
least
the brigadier and the
have to
colonel may
My
say,
friend, sir, my
in
friend,
the
have
records
to
of the
listen
Pentagon,
to our-
which have now been made public, a Haqqani network is an extension of the ISI. This is in Pentagon documents published 2 weeks ago. What are we talking about? It's not India which is saying this. You are a major non-NATO ally of Pakistan, of America. You are a major non-NATO ally of America. India is not a major non-NATO ally.
Read the Council for Foreign Relations report on the ties between the Haqqani network and Pakistan Taliban, which is called a useful ally. Sushant Sareen.
I'll just make 3 short
Why
points.
are you
because
worried
otherwise
so
Sushant
much
Sareen.
about the
interference now
Pakistani?
on this. The first point I want to make is,
Arnab,
I want to
when
throw
will you
this
give
thing
me the
back
time?
at the brigadier and the colonel from Pakistan. They say that Haqqani network, they don't need to act against the Haqqani network because they are not against Pakistan and they are operating inside Afghanistan. Well, by that same logic,
why should we
Fazlullah
fight
is
them?
not
We have
operating
nothing
against
against them.
Afghanistan, he is operating against Pakistan. So the shoe is on the other foot in that particular case. That is point number 1. The second thing is that the Pakistanis love to deride President Karzai and call him the mayor of Kabul, and then they expect him to act in places like Kunad and other places where these characters are taking refuge. Now you can't have it both ways. So at one level if you support, it is all very well because they are freedom fighters. Well, then Fazlullah also says that there is an illegal and illegitimate government and illegitimate army in Pakistan and he is fighting against them. So, then it's a question of who's a freedom fighter and who's a terrorist. And finally, I want to make just one more point. This business about this divisions between the Masouds and the others, I think we are missing the big picture. The guys who have broken off, as I think Ambassador KC Singh was pointing out, they are not exactly poster boys of liberal politics or some guys who are going to bring in some kind of Jeffersonian politics out here. They are part of that same amalgam of the Taliban.
Yeah.
This was a turf war more than anything
Sir,
else. It was a turf war. This same turf war has been going on in
Shafqat Saeed.
between these groups, and the Pakistani state has been supporting one of
Sir,
these
the
groups inside
Pakistani state, the Pakistan Taliban, the uncomfortable fact is the Pakistan Taliban is one example of a terror group that happens to be an offshoot of the original Taliban that you nurtured, which has now turned against you, and now you are crying victim. There are others like the Lashkar-e-Jhangvi, Colonel Shafqat Saeed. The Colonel Shafqat Saeed, the Lashkar-e-Jhangvi wants to convert Pakistan into a Sunni state through violent means. Your army doesn't act against it. You can't. They have been spawned by you. Colonel Shafqat Saeed. Colonel Shafqat Saeed, please. Colonel Shafqat Saeed's turn.
Arnab, thank you very much. I earnestly hope that you would bear with me for 2-3 minutes and I would not be interrupted by my worthy Indian panelists. And I'm impressed by their very
be
lucid
interrupted by the
and,
brigadier.
clear
By
expression.
the brigadier.
And beautiful expression. But what saddens me is, in the end, their misperceived conclusions. They would talk all facts, and in the end, they would make a very acute or obtuse conclusion, which would surprise me. With all that knowledge, with all that experience, with all that grey hair and grey matter, they get into a conclusion which is not worthy of their status and their knowledge. And
Sir, come to the point, sir. Don't make personal
Now
comments.
I want to make a point.
Okay.
Now I want, please bear with me.
Arnab.
If this is a debate, please bear with
Yeah,
me.
but come to the point, sir.
Now you asked me about Lashkar-e-Taiba. You asked me about Lashkar-e-Taiba and Lashkar-e-Jhangvi, that they want to convert Pakistan into a Sunni state. They are a handful of people. When they were allowed to participate in elections, they even did not get 20-25 votes from any of the constituency. People have clearly
now you
rejected them.
no.
It is
Sir,
the power
sir,
and
1 minute.
Please
One-
listen to me.
1 minute. You're the leader and co-founder of this Lashkar-e-Jhangvi. When he was in jail, he got a monthly stipend during imprisonment from the Punjab government. You can ask, your Punjab law minister Rana Sanaullah confirmed the disbursement. You even know that. So that's what I'm telling you. I have the facts with me. You cannot nurture these people and get away anymore. KC Singh, at this point, I find, is it really true or
Why
is it
did
just
you ask me a
positioning I'm
question
seeing
when you
tonight?
can't listen to my answer?
In Pakistan, is there
Why
genuine
did you
lack
ask
of
me a
fear?
question when you can't listen to the answer?
Sir, is there genuine lack of fear in Pakistan about what's happening?
Look, you're
You
going on
don't
the wrong
answer.
track.
Look, we've had Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif come here. We've always had a question mark about his links to the right wing and these salient groups, because we know during the election, only two parties, the parties of Mr. Nawaz Sharif as well as of Mr. Imran Khan, were given a free run. The others, the militants, held the sword of Damocles on their head. So very clearly, these two groups had special protection. So they have to pay back. Now, when you deal, it's high time Pakistan woke up. And I think the civilian
You
government
had
and the
asked
military
me a question and you
authorities
did not give me
have
time
to wake
speak.
up and realize that you cannot do
And there
this
you mute.
clever kind of deals with these militant groups, break them into two and think
No,
that
no,
you can
no.
deal
As
with one
long
half
as you
and the
keep
other
on
half will probably come to
supporting-
the
as long as
table.
you keep on
Then the other
supporting
half
the
comes
Balochistan
and hits you on your head
insurgency,
in
as long
Karachi
as
and you
keep
don't know
on
what to do
supporting
because you
the
don't do
Tehrik-e-Taliban
these
militants,
deals
we
with
will
militant
continue having
groups.
problems
Just
in
deal with them
Pakistan. You
as
need to cut
to a
off-
counter-insurgency
you need to cut off
program and a
support to these
counter-terrorism
militant
program.
groups.
So
You need
what-
to
And
stop
unless you
supporting
do
them.
that,
You
they're
need
going to
stop
devour you.
supporting them.
Sir,
And this is precisely, remember
No.
after the Mehran attack, last Mehran attack
They
in
will
Karachi,
not devour-
what
they will
happened?
not
The
devour
poor
us.
journalist
They will not devour
Shahzad,
us.
who wrote about the inside links of Al-Qaeda, he was bumped off by ISI.
Yes.
They didn't want to be told that 3 years
No,
ago.
that is wrong.
And you've
That-
had a repeat
No,
in
that
Karachi
is wrong.
of an
As long-
attack at the
as long
airport
as you
because you
keep
ignored
on-
the
as
links.
long as you keep on
ignored the
supporting the
links and you
Tehrik-e-Taliban,
scotched
as
the
long
life
as
of
you
the
keep
man.
on
This is the
supporting
most-
Balochistan
printing a book telling you of the links of
problem
Al-Qaeda
on
inside your
Western
Mehran
border is
base.
going to continue. And actually, what all is happening, it's a proxy war going on between India and Pakistan through the Balochistan insurgency, through the
God.
Sir,
Tehrik-e-Taliban.
now you
Try
see,
to
sir.
understand. This is what we are
Arnab,
seeing
Sir,
in
the
Pakistan.
problem,
Arnab,
You've
I'll
got
tell
to
you,
stop.
no, I'll
You
tell
have
you,
to
sir,
stop supporting
Arnab.
these people.
Sir.
Unless you stop supporting
Arnab,
them, this problem is going to continue.
Sir, you please,
sir,
sir, I'll tell you one thing. The problem, I'm going to Maruf, I'm coming to you
You need
next.
to understand.
The problem, Colonel Shafkat Saeed, what did I say today? I said, first of all, we are sad. Second, I'm concerned. But third, today, I would say today, please don't mind that I'm more worried at hearing you. Because what you should say is the biggest
yes.
problem is a person called Hafiz Saeed. A person called Hafiz Saeed.
Yes.
Who gets away by saying whatever he says. And it is Hafiz Saeed, along with the Haqqani brothers, along with the Lashkar-e-Jhangvi, along with the Taliban who are going to consume you.
Pakistani.
You
Why
will
are
lose
scared of
control
Hafiz
over your
Saeed?
own
Why are
state.
you scared of one
And
man
there'll be
called
nobody
Hafiz
to
Saeed?
blame.
Why are you scared of Hafiz Saeed? We don't understand.
you should be scared of what Hafiz Saeed will do.
1.2 billion people.
We are
And what
concerned. We
Hafiz
can
Saeed
deal
is
with
telling
Hafiz
you
Saeed.
like hell.
Hand him over to
I am
us.
surprised. I am
Hand over
surprised
Hafiz
that
Saeed
one
to
man
us. We'll
can
deal
scare
with
you.
him.
Just
But you
imagine.
should be concerned about him.
One man is
can't
scaring
hear
you. Hafiz Saeed is the true Pakistani. He's a
this is
patriotic
sir,
Pakistani.
please.
And he,
Sir,
and I'm
sir,
surprised
please.
that
You know,
scared of
I will
Hafiz
not
Saeed.
take this
One
lying
man-
down. Hafiz Saeed is a terrorist. And your country's rulers are
No,
cowards
he's
if
not
they
a
cannot
terrorist.
control
Hafiz
Hafiz
Saeed is not a
Maruf
terrorist.
Raza responding to you, sir.
The High Court of
The mastermind of 2611 cannot be placed on this channel.
Wait.
Maruf Raza.
Hafiz Saeed has not done anything
Arnab,
wrong.